Take a ride in the 2015 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, cargo net, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.